the copy editing side, you copy edit it all, send it off with copious notes.
So
If you're
that's the
copy
written
editing,
part. Yeah.
you do a notes and say, like, I've suggested this because of that, because
Yep.
copy editing, you're not changing, you're not fixing, you're suggesting.
But the structural part, as you said,
The
is more
structural
that's
part,
taking the bigger chunks and sort of shifting them
yeah.
around into a
Well, you're not even moving them around, you're just
no.
asking questions. So you just
Okay.
might write, so traditionally when it's a report, you might
Mm.
like, the beginning feels a little slow. It doesn't really, get into, pick up until chapter 3. Would you consider starting at chapter 3, then feeding a backstory? You might say
Ah.
that, but you've got to say that all in writing. But if you're talking to someone, straight away you can say that, and they might go, but what about this? And you can go, yes, but what about that? Or I haven't thought about that. So
So
it
the
becomes
feedback's
like a
immediate.
workshop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, fantastic. That just intuitively sounds to me to be a much easier process of gathering the idea together and starting to like clay on the potter's wheel. You're sort of molding it together. Both hands are on the pot or the jug or the bars.
Yeah.
Okay.